Alright, welcome back campers. I'm Mike Sampson of Hartleys Auto and RV Center. And today we're going to go around the 2023 Autumn Ridge by Starcraft. This is going to be the 26 BHS. So this is going to be a bunkhouse with a slide. We're going to weigh just under 6,000 pounds at 5,730. We're going to be 8 foot wide. Total height of 11 foot 1 inches. And we got a 16 foot awning on here. So we're going to walk right inside with all the good stuff. Just to point out there, we do have our sign, our door sticker sign right up there, so you can see our price. We're at $31,995 before tax and DMV, depending on where you're located. That may be different. As we come inside here, you're going to immediately see our nice jackknife sofa here. Entertainment system. We'll walk right in here to our right, turn on some lights, and we're going to have our master bedroom. We've got some storage up top and a wardrobe on each side, USB ports and power ports for your charging. Nice feature I want to point out that we do have our barn doors on here. So you got the sliding barn doors and they button up while traveling. As we come back out, you'll see our nice little large stainless steel sink. Stick to the kitchen area for a minute, like you said. We got storage above. Nice large countertop. We'll have a 3-burner stove with an oven. You'll have a light and fan above that. You're also going to have a microwave. Nice large fridge and freezer. Now this will be a 12-volt Furrion. Next to your fridge, you'll have some your pantry area, we'll call it that, all the way from the ceiling down to the floor. We'll continue over here to your wide bunks. They have their own lights and power ports. Nice windows. Now we're going to come into the nice large bathroom. So you have your toilet, stand-up shower, vanity with the medicine cabinet. Coming out of the bathroom, we'll look over here to our slide out. You're going to have your dinette, which as always will collapse down and become another sleeping area. Also in the slide is that jackknife sofa, so you can sleep 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, maybe 10 people in here, depending on the size. I say 6 comfortably for sure. You do have rooftop AC and heat in this. It is prepped for solar, and it is also prepped for TV hookups. And there you have it. This is going to be the 2023 Autumn Ridge by Starcraft 26 BHS. I'm Mike Sampson of Hartleys Auto, and if you'd like to know more about this guy or bring it on home and make it part of your next adventure, give me a call at 607-423-0973, or you can shoot me an email at mike@cortlandrv.com. This has been another Travel Trailer Walk Around, and I'll see you next time.